We in a lab calibrate drive by wire. Can hear the motor buzz. You can see where I get the data. EMU Black. Yeah man, that's how we do it in our camp. So we calibrate the whole thing and it do it. See it. And it has set the force spring and everything, as you can see 13% level that it has set up the whole base calibration field. True, you can't see up underneath ESA, but it do it. Set. Get a buzz. Stop buzz. Alright, so we calibrate the fluid pressure and oil pressure as well. So how the oil pressure work, it a blink. If I tell you say once the pressure not there, it a go blink like how you would in the car. So we can go inside of the fluid side, go do it the same thing that it a blink same way. So we can go there, go set up that. Alright, the electrical, as you can see, E-tracker, you can hear it make the buzz, it make the change according to how the computer calculate it. See it? So it get the data, see, get the data them there and everything, and it calibrate. So it calibrate the upper spring force at 1450, 13, 1150, 1250, 1250, 12%. Alright, it had calculate the lower spring force now. So -2, -250, -3, it calculate everything out. So stay tuned for when I go test it. Check now. Right, see test I do there. You can hear it. Alright, as you can see, it say finish.